So today we'll be looking at a very important design pattern called facade pattern. So this basically provides a simple interface for your classes in your system. So let's see an analogy. So there is no need of a secretary in office, but let's say an outsider wants to schedule a meeting with some office staff. Then he or she will just contact the secretary and tell them that please schedule my meeting with your general manager. So this secretary is the facade here, outsider is the client. So let's say he's a business client. This is our secretary and this is our subsystem. This is our whole office staff which is maybe related to each other. This is general manager, this is a manager which is reporting to this general manager, and so on. This is a software engineer, it is reporting to this manager. Maybe this manager is related to some co-managers, etc. So all these things, like facade wants to schedule a meeting with general manager. So let's say it can't happen directly. So it will first contact a manager, then the manager will contact a general manager. Then the general manager will say, okay, I am free at that time. Then the manager will say to secretary that, okay, fix that meeting. So basically there can be a lot of internal calls, so the client doesn't have to worry about it. Facade is providing a clean interface. You ask facade that please schedule my meeting. Facade says meeting is scheduled. You don't have to consider how these classes are interlinked internally, and how they are going to schedule the meeting. You don't have to worry about it. So this is also following the principle of least knowledge. Why? Because client is just talking to its nearest neighbor. It's not talking to its next neighbors. It is 1, 2 which are at 2 distance from it. So it's just talking to its nearest neighbor. So this way it's following this principle of least knowledge also, and hence it is reducing coupling also. Because let's say client has to meet this one, this one, this one. So it is dependent on this and this in the wrong design. But here it's just related to this facade, and this facade is transmitting all the calls to all these classes. So it's taking care of whatever the clients ask him or her to do. So again, the client can directly contact these classes, just as secretary is not necessary in office, but it's a good to have feature in office. Similarly, facade is a very important pattern to reduce coupling in your class structure. Thank you, friends.